truly magical moments on the 15th of August 1947, when India kept her tryst with destiny. India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisting the flag at Red Fort. Lal Bahadur Shastri, India's Prime Minister from 1964 to 1966. His slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan and support for the Green Revolution saw him command great respect. India's first and only lady Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. She served this office for 3 consecutive terms and went on to become one of India's most acclaimed political leaders. India's Prime Minister from 1977 to 1979, Morarji Desai, an Indian independence activist. Chaudhry Charan Singh, India's Prime Minister from 1979 to 1980, addressing the nation on the 15th of August 1979. In 1980, Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India for the 4th time. Dynamic and charismatic, she is known for her bold decisions. Rajiv Gandhi, a visionary in his own right, leading a government that encouraged foreign inflows and increased investment in modern technology. India's progressive Prime Minister from 1984 to 1989. VP Singh, India's Prime Minister from December 1989 to November 1990. Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, he held office from the 21st of June 1991 to the 16th of May 1996, and his term as Prime Minister was an eventful one in India's history. The 15th of August 1996, H.D. Devagowda, addressing the nation from the historic Red Fort. August 1997, an Independence Day celebration with I.K. Gujral as the Prime Minister. From a family of freedom fighters, he was jailed in 1942 during the Quit India movement. A towering statesman and one of India's most respected leaders, a brilliant orator, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, unfurling the flag and articulating the aspirations of the masses. A poet at heart, his achievements in domestic and international policy have won him great respect the world over. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, economist, statesman and reform-oriented, at an Independence Day celebration.